For your toughest jobs, you've got to trust your cleaning towels. Meet our Brawny Professional plant-based cleaning towels. Durable, disposable wipers that perform like cloth towels. Made with 80% hemp fiber, helping facilities like yours meet sustainability goals. With these plant-based towels, there is no sacrifice in quality or performance. Hemp towels are extremely strong, solvent compatible, and reusable. They're tough for almost any job. In fact, industrial operators say these hemp towels absorb liquids and clean surfaces better than their current towels. Brawny Professional plant-based disposable cleaning towels. Trusted for your toughest tasks.